significant figure rules continued and calculations, multiplication and division. This rule is a bit easier than addition and subtraction. It's based upon the fewest numbers, or the smallest number of significant figures in the numbers involved in the calculation. So for example, our first example, 3 sig figs, 5 sig figs. Therefore, our answer will be reported to 3 sig figs. So that, if we do that calculation just raw, and we don't account for sig figs, it's always good to write a few places past the number of significant figures and not round immediately. That way you can just see the numbers, underscore where the significance ends, or where the answer is significant to. So that's 3 significant figures. Okay, so 3 sig figs significant. We see that this number will not be rounded up, so this will round to 16.5. Okay, so 3 sig figs is the smallest number of sig figs in one of our numbers involved in our calculation. That's how many we report. The next example, there's 2 sig figs here. There are 5 sig figs here. So our answer will be reported to 2 significant figures. So the raw answer, again, what I mean by raw is just writing more numbers that is necessary to aid in rounding, is 0.06069. Again, that's more numbers than is necessary, but this answer should be reported to 2 significant figures. Remember your rules for zeros. So 2 significant figures for this answer would occur. There are 2 significant figures in this answer. These are leading zeros, so non-significant, a sandwich zero or trailing zero. This is significant. Our final answer is 0.061. We round up.